Fred, FR5ED. I'm at the Pratt Street Ale House in Baltimore, Maryland. They serve up their own beers, Oliver Ales. I don't know if you can see me or not, or hear me. I've already had on cask a double IPA by them called Draft Punk. Very good. I'm now having Winter Wolves. It's a strong dark ale, generously hopped, brewed with a little honey, and Scottish heather. It's conditioned in American oak. I've already had a sip. It's very interesting. It's a dark ale, strong ale. You can smell a hint of the oak, but I think the other aroma I'm getting besides the honey is the heather. It's a very different aroma, and to me, who doesn't like flavors, it would be off-putting, but it's a pleasant aroma and a pleasant taste. There's a dark roast malt element. There's sweetness from the honey, I'm sure. And the oak has a slight presence. And I'm assuming the remaining floral taste is the heather. It is good. I had a sample of this and ordered the pint because I really liked it. So this is very enjoyable. If you're ever in Baltimore, Maryland, Inner Harbor, it's Pratt Ale House on Pratt Street. Highly recommend it. Come on in. They've got 4 beer engines going with cask ales of their own and plenty of other beers on tap that they brew. Really cool. I'll be back. This is Fred, FR5ED, over and out.